In terms of your forecast, we're feeling the impacts of that nor'easter here locally because we've got the gusty wind and the cool air coming across that lake. Almost tripped and pulled a whole set apart. I hope you guys are okay up there. If you could clean that. Thanks a lot. We're in the 50s, even 40s right now. You can see that northwest flow with those streamlines. Lake water is still sitting at 63. That triggers that lake effect. Boy, pretty easily, as it's still about 4 or 5 degrees above average. In terms of winds, they've been gusty, especially near the lakeshore. You see some of those gusts, 20, 30, even 40 miles per hour at times, lesser as you get down towards the south. The wind will start to ease overnight tonight. That's the good news, but we still have some lake effect rain ongoing. A little bit of grapple with this earlier today. Not a whole lot right now. Pretty decent downpours. These have shifted a little bit further east across areas of Geauga County. So you get into the Burton area, Middlefield down towards Parkman. This stretches down into Portage County. Canton even seeing a couple downpours as well. But as Russ and Lena alluded to, this is the big system off the east coast that has rapidly developed. This is a nor'easter. You've got the very strong winds, 50, 60 mile per hour winds expected near Boston tonight. You've got lots of heavy rain. Thankfully, this isn't snow. But for us locally, we're dealing with the wind from that. But notice how we get a little push of moisture in here. This will increase those shower chances overnight tonight. And I do think we're going to have some showers around tomorrow. Model's saying we're dry tomorrow. I think a lot of that will happen mainly early in the day. But the bigger picture, this is that huge system that was out west that caused the near record low pressure off the western coast. This is now heading out into the plain states. You got the warm air out ahead of it meeting up with the cool air, expecting a widespread severe weather outbreak tonight. There's nothing doing right now from Kansas down towards Texas. These are going to rapidly go tonight, and then you can see the snow back in the Rockies still getting hit hard out towards the western coast as well, up in the areas of the Cascades. Steady temps for us tonight, though. Notice we're at near 50 degrees or so. That's where we're going to stay. The wind, that little number down at the bottom, will start to ease. I think by tomorrow morning, we'll just call it a light breeze. Some good news for those that have been out and about today in that gusty wind. Your national Zymart hour-by-hour forecast. You can see the clouds hanging on. I do think we'll have some lake effect rain ongoing tonight. Again, model not picking up on that. Model also thinking the lake temperature is around average, and it's above average, so that will trigger some more of that rain. As we go through the daytime tomorrow, we're going to stay with locked-in clouds, likely some leftover lake effect rain. And then we start to get some sun peaks. Problem is the sun will be down by then. So we are going to start to clear things out tomorrow night. That will allow our temperatures to plummet down into the 40s once again. And then you notice on Thursday, clouds coming at us from another direction. That's that system out in the plains. As it begins to spiral its way in our direction, should see a nice bump in temps on Thursday. So bigger picture, where's this storm system go? You can see the development of all that rain, which isn't there right now. That'll happen tonight, and then as we go throughout Thursday into Friday, this system's going to wrap up like a top. Big old area, low pressure down towards the Tennessee Valley. This will spread rain in our direction beginning late in the day Thursday. Friday looks pretty rainy around here as this low circulates over us. And Saturday, for all those trick-or-treat plans, I know there's some trick-or-treats on Saturday night, some on Sunday night, actual Halloween. Here's your Saturday night forecast. We're going to have leftover rain around here. Not a washout, but we're going to be dodging showers. By Sunday, that system exits. Still some rain around. We're going to go dry for now. And then next week, big pattern change. We get some cold air unlocked from Canada. That will set up some kind of frontal boundary. And notice what's happening in the lakes. Yeah, there's some lake effect snow north of us. We'll keep it north for now. In terms of snowfall the next 7 days, most of it's out west. We're starting to lay it down in Canada in terms of rainfall. We could see maybe another inch and a half before the week is out with that system coming in. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. Look at the bump in temps on Thursday. Not a bad day tomorrow with the clouds. Up near 65 or so on Thursday. The rain arrives later in the day. Friday, a washout. Saturday, some lingering showers. And for Halloween itself, up near 60 degrees. Not a bad day. Russ and Lena?
All right, Matt. Thanks a lot.